guy that was living on the roof, if y'all remember. Holy shit. What? Everything's falling apart in this van. Thursday, July the 15th, 2021.
Next stop sign.
What's up, guys? I'm on my way to a commercial repair call this morning. In the building, in the space, they're going to make a restaurant. It's going to be called Tasty Wings, whatever. Okay, let's see what we got, guys and gals. Well, you could get out of the way, cuz. Ooh, that's a gas truck. I can't be messing with him, can I? Alright, let's see. It's supposed to be the far end building where they're going to be having a wing place. Let's see. Yeah. Looks like that's us, don't it, guys? We've been here before, hadn't we, guys? Yeah, it's where we had that poor, underprivileged guy that was living on the roof, if y'all remember. Holy shit. What? Everything's falling apart in this van. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. It's a Rheem Classic Series. It's a 5-ton. Okay. And so it's a gas pack. Little flexible gas line coming up here. And right off the rip, y'all can see what's going on. It's a 410A system. And we're running 60 PSI on the suction over 250. Obviously, we got a leak. The indoor fan motor ain't running, or got a stopped up coil. It could be anything, but let's get into it and see why our suction pressure is so damn low. How about that? Oh. Alright, guys, obviously it ain't because the indoor fan motor ain't running, because it is running good. We have a iced up indoor coil. So that's putting us, narrowing things down for us a little bit. I say a little bit. Technically, it could be a metering device going bad. It could be a stopped up coil, and it might be just something as simple as stopped up filter. Go further with the troubleshooting process and see what we got, y'all. Okay, guys, that's the only return right there, and it does not have a filter in it. There's our supply coming out, dumping on each side like that. Let's try to get up on the other side of this wall here and see what the hell's going on. Okay, guys, I got me a ladder set up, and it looks like the easiest access is going to be to get on top of this walk-in freezer here to see what we got going. Okay, guys, we're up here on top of this walk-in freezer, and so this is the unit I'm working on, the 5-ton Rheem gas pack, where it's coming out. The duct to the left here, it goes to the left, that's our supply. Okay, that's what's feeding the front side of the store. And then the return comes out here, elbows. Let's see, try not to take the damn ceiling grid down with me. Old man gotta lift the legs up high. Oh! And then the return goes, and then it 90s there, and then it penetrates through the wall there, which goes to the filter grill. That is like, you know, it's just a damn grill. It's just screwed to the wall, to the drywall. It's I took the screws out and looked in there, and there's no damn filter in it. And obviously nowhere in that line in the duct is a filter either. So I reckon I'm gonna have to go back up top and see, is there some kind of way they're filtering at the unit? I didn't see that it was, but I'm gonna look again to make sure. And damn, they may just be running it without a filter in it. So and the coils froze up too, so I gotta wait till that to defrost before I can get accurate pressure readings. So just lovely up here at the new wing place. Okay guys, I got this door off here on the back side of the unit, which exposes our indoor coil. As you can see the inside of it. And you know, is it dirty? Yeah, hell, they all dirty. But is it stopped up? No, it ain't stopped up. And we have a unit filter here. Holy shit. Look at that. Pleated stop the hell up air filter. And it is a 24 by 24. Okay, ain't gonna have one of them, but I'm sure I can stick something in there temporarily. Alright guys, well, that's what's going on with this. Let me go down and get an air filter and see if I can get this thing running and get some decent pressure reading. Alright guys, I had a 24 by 30, and so I just dipped it down, dipped that top part of the filter 6 inches down, just curled it under. Had a little rod there that secures it in place. I mean, it'll be just fine. Because guess what? It's gonna be just fine, right? Because I ain't had no damn 24 by 24. But it's in there. I'm fixing to put this door on, which I clearly marked. And put it back on and see if our pressures don't come back up. Hopefully it does. But alright guys, I got it back up and running. Been running for about 15 or so minutes. And 125 over about 320. Oh no, let me take that back. That's more like 345. Alright, so 125 over about 345. And that's what I'm wanting to see, guys. I'm going to say this one in the bag. In the bag done. So this little 5-ton Rheem classic gas pack, got it back up and going. So guys, this was done. Unit wasn't cooling, now it's cooling. If y'all have gained any value or knowledge or help or insight from this video or any of my other videos, I'd appreciate y'all liking and subscribing for some more content, because I'm rolling out with these videos every single day. It's not like a lot of YouTubers come out with a certain few days during the week, Mondays and Wednesdays, or man, what the hell ever. I come out with a video every day, so y'all be sure to tune back in tomorrow and I will have another video up. So y'all like and subscribe. Appreciate it.